The Toyota Sienna has always been known as a practical and efficient family minivan. But the vehicle shown in these images presents something far more ambitious. A futuristic 2027 Toyota Sienna concept that combines family-friendly versatility with the presence of a premium executive shuttle. Before we begin, this design appears to be an independent concept interpretation. Toyota has not officially confirmed this exterior, interior, pricing, or technical specifications for the 2027 Sienna. Starting at the front, this concept introduces a completely new identity. A slim LED daytime running light strip stretches across almost the entire width of the vehicle, connecting the sharp headlamp elements and making the Sienna appear wider and more sophisticated. Below the lighting strip is an illuminated Toyota wordmark, replacing the traditional central badge. The largely closed front panel features a distinctive illuminated pixel pattern, giving the vehicle an electric and high-tech appearance. Vertical lighting elements sit at both corners of the front fascia, while a large black lower intake, chrome detailing, and a sculpted front splitter add a sportier character. The result is clean, futuristic, and much more dramatic than the current Sienna. Moving to the side, the long body clearly preserves the practical proportions of a three-row minivan. However, the design is smoother and more aerodynamic. The sharply angled windshield flows into a black panoramic roof, creating the appearance of one continuous glass canopy. Dark privacy windows, flush door handles, and subtle character lines keep the profile modern and uncluttered. Large black multi-spoke wheels give the Sienna a more planted stance, while the sculpted side skirts and chrome lower accents add a premium finish. The sliding rear doors remain visible, ensuring that this futuristic appearance does not sacrifice everyday convenience. At the rear, the design becomes even more minimalist. A full-width LED taillight runs beneath the heavily tinted rear window with vertical light elements at each corner. The tailgate is smooth and simple, featuring a centrally positioned Toyota emblem. A roof spoiler adds a subtle, sporty touch, while the gloss black lower bumper helps the vehicle appear lower and wider. Inside, the concept moves into luxury MPV territory. The images show a spacious three-row cabin with individual second-row captain's chairs, wide armrests, powered seat controls, quilted upholstery, and generous legroom. Rear entertainment screens are mounted behind the front seats, while the dashboard includes a digital instrument cluster and a large central infotainment display. Cream-colored upholstery is combined with black surfaces, wood-style trim, ambient lighting, and a panoramic glass roof. The wide sliding door opening and flat floor should also make it easier for passengers to enter the cabin and move between the seating rows. Toyota has not announced official engine specifications for the 2027 Sienna. However, the current model uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid system producing approximately 245 combined horsepower. An updated version of this hybrid setup is the most realistic possibility, paired with an electronic continuously variable transmission. Front-wheel drive and electronic all-wheel drive could continue to be offered. Fuel economy should remain one of the Sienna's greatest strengths, potentially staying close to the current model's estimated 35 to 36 miles per gallon combined. A plug-in hybrid version would be an interesting addition, although Toyota has not confirmed such a model. Official pricing is also unavailable. Based on the current Sienna, the 2027 model could start at approximately $41,000 to $43,000. Premium versions with luxury seating, all-wheel drive, and advanced technology could exceed $60,000. A possible launch could take place in late 2026 or early 2027, but this remains an estimate until Toyota releases official information. This futuristic 2027 Toyota Sienna concept shows how the traditional minivan could evolve into a sophisticated luxury vehicle without losing its practicality. Would you choose the Sienna over a 3-row SUV? Share your opinion in the comments, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more future automotive designs.